Looking for precision in your shooting? The top 5 best laser bore sight ensures perfect alignment every time. Easy to use, highly accurate, and compatible with most firearms, it saves time at the range and improves your shooting skills. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. EZshoot Laser Bore Sight. The EZshoot Laser Bore Sight is a highly precise tool designed for shooters looking to save time and money while achieving perfect zeroing. This bore sight is crafted for high accuracy, making it easier to align your rifle and hit the target with confidence. Its design is chamber-specific, fitting .243 and .308 Win calibers, which ensures a snug and secure fit for accurate sighting. One of the key advantages of this model is the inclusion of extra batteries, 2 complete sets totaling 6 batteries, each lasting up to an hour, allowing enough power for multiple sighting sessions without interruptions. The bright Class IA red laser with a wavelength of 650 nanometers is visible across 15 to 100 yards, making it highly effective even in moderate daylight conditions. Built with sturdy brass, the bore sight is durable, resistant to deformation, and capable of maintaining accuracy over long-term use. Its compact design comes in a small tin case, making it portable and easy to carry to the range. Overall, the EZshoot Laser Bore Sight is an excellent choice for shooters who value accuracy, reliability, and convenience. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced marksman, this tool simplifies the zeroing process, reduces ammunition waste, and ensures that your shots land exactly where intended. The combination of its high-quality construction, user-friendly design, and precise laser performance makes it one of the best tools for fast and accurate rifle sighting. Number 2. MADOATS Laser Bore Sight. The MADOATS Laser Bore Sight is an incredibly versatile tool that makes zeroing rifles, handguns, and shotguns a breeze. Equipped with 32 clearly numbered adapters, this bore sight eliminates the hassle of finding separate tools for different firearms, allowing seamless switching between calibers. The bright Class II green laser ensures precise adjustments, giving shooters confidence that their firearm is correctly aligned the first time. With a maximum output of less than 5 milliwatts, the laser is both safe and visible across a range of lighting conditions. Designed for effortless operation, the bore sight features a big switch, long-lasting battery life of up to 32 hours, and clear instructions, ensuring a quick and satisfying setup for both beginners and seasoned shooters. The kit comes neatly packaged in a compact case, making it convenient to transport to the range or while prepping for hunting trips. One of the most significant advantages of this bore sight is its ability to reduce frustration and waste. By providing instant zeroing reference, it helps shooters save ammunition and time that would otherwise be spent correcting misaligned sights. The MADOATS Laser Bore Sight is durable, reliable, and designed to perform consistently, providing both convenience and accuracy. Whether for casual shooting practice or serious hunting preparation, this laser bore sight offers an excellent balance of quality, ease of use, and precision, making it an ideal choice for anyone looking to enhance shooting accuracy efficiently. Number 3. MADOATS Fit.17 Laser Bore Sight. The MADOATS Fit.17 Laser Bore Sight is designed to provide exceptional precision for firearms of various calibers, including rifles, handguns, and shotguns. Like its larger counterparts, this bore sight comes with 32 numbered adapters that make switching between firearms simple and efficient, eliminating the need for multiple tools. The bright red Class II laser, with a maximum output of less than 5 milliwatts, ensures visibility and accurate adjustments across a range of conditions, giving shooters confidence that their firearm is properly zeroed. The device is extremely user-friendly, featuring a large switch, long battery life of up to 32 hours, and detailed instructions that make operation straightforward even for beginners. The bore sight kit is neatly packaged in a compact case, keeping all components organized and ready for transport to the shooting range or hunting site. One of the standout benefits is its ability to save both time and ammunition by providing an instant reference for zeroing, reducing the risk of misaligned sights and missed shots. Constructed with durability in mind, the MADOATS Fit.17 bore sight combines quality materials and reliable performance to ensure long-term use without compromising accuracy. Its precision, ease of use, and compact design make it ideal for shooters who want to enhance their accuracy without investing in complicated setups or excessive ammunition. Overall, this tool is a highly effective solution for anyone aiming to achieve fast, accurate sight alignment while enjoying the convenience of a portable, all-in-one laser bore sight kit. Number 4. MADOATS 32 Adapters Laser Bore Sight. The MADOATS 32 Adapters Laser Bore Sight is a comprehensive zeroing solution suitable for a wide range of firearms. With precision adapters and arbors that fit securely in the barrel, the bore sight remains centered and stable during use, ensuring highly accurate sighting. Its bright red or green class EZshoot laser, with a maximum output of less than 5 milliwatts, provides a clear reference point visible even in bright sunlight or low light conditions. The kit includes 32 adapters covering calibers from .167 to .807, accommodating rifles, handguns, and shotguns, which eliminates the need for multiple bore sights and simplifies firearm preparation. Extended battery life allows up to 32 hours of operation using two 3VCR2 batteries, enabling dozens of sighting sessions without interruption. Constructed from high-quality aluminum alloy, this bore sight is lightweight yet durable, offering long-term reliability while minimizing ammunition waste. The kit also comes with all necessary tools, screws, and a portable carrying case, ensuring that users can stay organized and efficient at the range or in the field. This bore sight is particularly suitable for hunters, law enforcement officers, or shooting enthusiasts who demand precision, versatility, and convenience. By providing an instant and reliable zeroing reference, the MADOATS 32 Adapters Laser Bore Sight significantly reduces the frustration associated with misaligned sights. Its combination of durability, accuracy, and adaptability makes it one of the most versatile and effective laser bore sights on the market today. Number 5. Generic Laser Bore Sight. The generic laser bore sight, also known as the EZshoot red bore sighting laser, is a versatile and reliable tool suitable for a wide variety of firearms. It comes with 30 adapters allowing compatibility with calibers ranging from .17 to .78, making it a practical choice for rifles, pistols, handguns, shotguns, and scopes. The bore sight is compact, durable, and lightweight, constructed with high-end aluminum alloy, and featuring a frosted metal finish for a smooth, professional look. Its shockproof and waterproof design ensures that it can withstand rigorous use in different environments, from indoor ranges to outdoor hunting trips. The installation process is simple. Users only need to screw the appropriate adapter onto the bore sight and insert it into the barrel, after which they can easily adjust elevation and windage as needed. The Class IJ red laser, with a maximum output of less than 5 milliwatts, provides a visible and precise reference point, enhancing accuracy while minimizing the need for extra ammunition. The bore sight rod length, ranging from 60 to 90 millimeters, accommodates various barrel sizes, while the lightweight design ensures easy portability. This tool is ideal for shooters of all skill levels, offering precision, convenience, and durability in one compact package. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.